Hey, we all know about ChatGPT and all the incredible things it can do in seconds. Like it can be your perfect AI companion who can chat, assist, provide almost any kind of answer. But wait, there's a new challenger in the scene, and that is Google Bar AI. It's a new AI contender backed by the technological might of Google. Now it's time to see how good Google Bard is. Can it really challenge ChatGPT? Or will ChatGPT continue to hold its throne as the undisputed king of conversational AI? To find it out, today we are here to take these both AI giants through a series of challenges, testing their wit, their ability to understand the context, and their knack of providing the perfect response. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. So we are going to test both ChatGPT and Bard AI in 5 categories. To test this, we are going to use ChatGPT's free version and Bard's current experimental version. Our first category is factual topic. Here we will ask some general questions. So let's start with ChatGPT and ask it about the top e-commerce marketplaces in the world right now. And what's the percentage of sellers and customers in each marketplace as of 2023? It seems that it's thinking, gathering ideas and writing. It's kind of slow.
5 minutes later.
It's actually super slow. It took almost 5 minutes to answer this question. I didn't get it. I tried it earlier and I found it faster. But don't know what happened it to right now. Even I tried ChatGPT Plus, which was really faster, unlike this free version. Well, here's the main drawback of ChatGPT. As you all know, it has the data till September 2021. So there is no wonder that it can't give you the recent data. Though I can see it mentions some marketplaces, but you can't rely on this data. Okay, let me ask the same question to Google Bard AI. Wait, if you're new to it, you can easily access Bard with bard.google.com. As you can see, the surface is pretty clean. When you ask a question, it doesn't type the whole thing. It kind of pauses for a beat and then gives you the full answer in seconds. And then when you do get an answer, it has the thumbs up, thumbs down, a new answer, and Google it. It also has 3 drafts of every answer. As it is still in the experimental period, you can't always expect accurate results from it. But still, let's try how good it is. Well, it's really fast. It gives some data which says Amazon has 3.5 million sellers and 300 million customers. They also mention eBay, Etsy, Rakuten and Alibaba. Not bad. It also gives some detailed information. Not only that, it actually gives us 3 versions at a time. Draft 2 is kind of similar to Draft 1, just a bit shorter, whereas Draft 3 is very detailed. I like this. You can easily access these 3 options and you can choose the one you like most. Here the winner is obvious, it's Bard. But I think it will be unfair if we ask for the data latest to September 2021 to ChatGPT. Let's ask the same question to ChatGPT and change the date to September 2021. Well. This time it's really fast and it gives so much data. These are detailed and useful. I'm really impressed. So who is the winner? I think both are pretty good, so I want to give it a draw. We'll start our second category, which is testing creativity. This is where it starts to get really interesting. Here we will check out how good they are at understanding natural language and putting together a thoughtful response. Tell me an e-commerce marketplace name where I should start selling items and get quick success. Give me a plan that I should follow to get success in 3 months. It seems a bit slow, but the information seems very solid and to the point. Oh no, so I can't complete the full answer. Okay, I am regenerating the response. Well, this time it's faster. I think it gives me a very detailed analysis. Also, it shares what to do in which stage. I think this qualifies as a good answer. On the other hand, Bard gives me a list of marketplaces, but I asked for only one marketplace and it gives me a very basic plan. So far, I think ChatGPT is more precise and detailed here. Now let's try with a fun question. Write me a short poem on e-commerce mentioning Amazon, Walmart and eBay as the characters in the poem. It's really fun. In the realm of digital trade, they drill. Amazon, Walmart and eBay, they tell. E-commerce giants, names renowned. Each of the presents globally profound. It's impressive. Let's try it in Bard. It's also nice. Amazon, Walmart and eBay, the 3 kings of e-commerce, do battle of our wallets, each with their own unique allure. ChatGPT is very poetic. It maintains the rhythm, whereas Bard is good and nice. But I'll keep ChatGPT a bit higher here. And it's really very good at it. My next category is coding. Let's ask it. For my e-commerce website, I want to create a button, and each time I click on it, it should show me a congratulatory message with a picture. Write HTML for it. It's really fast, very fast. It gives me a whole bunch of coding. Great. Let's test if it works. Well, it gives a click me button, but it doesn't show any congratulations message. Let me write the same thing in the bird. Bird also gives me HTML code that is short. Let's test it. Well, it does give a congratulations message. There is no image. We got it as there is no source. It also says you have successfully completed your purchase, which is great. I think in terms of accuracy, Bird is better here, but both did a wonderful job. My next category is summary. Give me a summary of the latest video from YouTube channel Ecomclips. ChatGPT can't give me any data here. Let's try it in Google Word. Well, it gives detailed information, but the problem is it actually lied. Here is the latest video of Ecomclips, but it gives an imaginative overview. So you need to be really careful regarding taking the information it provides. Let's ask something else. Give me a summarized overview of Ecomclips. Include all the services the company provides. ChatGPT did a great job here. It tells almost all the services they provide. Amazon services, graphic design, customer service, website design and development, marketing and advertising, consulting and training. We also provide services for all other marketplaces. Google Bard also provides the detailed information about our services. That's great. I think it's a draw. Next challenge, I'll check the accuracy. Let me write. Give me a detailed plan, like how much money I need to start a business on Amazon, what approach I should follow, and how long it takes me to success and become a 7-figure seller on Amazon. Well, ChatGPT tells everything from the very beginning. It also gives a time frame to become a 7-figure seller. Great. On the other hand, Bird is also did a great job. Both seems detailed, though ChatGPT shows the steps like an expert, whereas Bird gives kind of good suggestions. I like both versions. So, who is the winner? Well, it depends on what you are looking for in a conversational AI. They both have their own strengths and the weaknesses. If you are looking for a fast and accurate response to the factual topics, then you may go with the Google Bird. However, if you are looking for a more engaging and conversational experience, then ChatGPT may be a better choice. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try both AIs out for yourself and see which one is better for you. But I think ultimately it is us who are the winner by getting benefits from these wonderful AI giants. Let us know your thoughts and who you think is more accurate in the comment section. Also, you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.